At one point, someone thought putting 2 stones in the center of a ring was a good idea. Let me tell you why it's not. Because psychologically, our minds don't like even numbers. That's why rings are normally made with 1 center stone, or a 3-stone ring, or an anniversary ring with 5, 7, or 9 stones. Why is that? Well, think about it like this. If you had 4 stones in a ring, your mind automatically goes to the center and says, is that even with that? Are those stones the same size? But if you had 5 stones or 3 stones, you see the center. Your mind is at ease. 3 stones in this case was the solution. Why did I have to carve the ring by wax? These princess cuts on the side, they were uncalibrated and they got larger as they went up the ring, and they were accentuated a bit. They were just kind of like off cut. It was really odd, but trying to create that image for a CAD designer was going to be impossible. If he just made one cut the wrong way, none of the stones would have fit. So it was better for me to hand carve the wax to get it to fit perfectly. So after the wax was done, we just made sure that the diamonds, the princess cuts, would fit, and then we decided to cast the ring. Customer decided to go with white gold, which I think was a great idea to make the white stones really stand out. And their 3rd stone that they picked was an absolutely killer sapphire. This is one of the few sapphires I had left from my trip to Thailand, and it was identical in size to their 2 side stones. So it was a great 3-stone ring, and then there were the princess cuts on each side going down the band. Now remember the old ring? There, that's better.